breakout level because of that big move intra-week. It took out 68. The shadow is not visible in the chart, but right now has cooled back below 68. So it is Friday weekly closing. If it closes above 68, it's a breakout. Otherwise, that move will prove out to be a false breakout, and the stock can move significantly lower. Jindal Steel and Power, the next one, as Prashant always emphasizes, it's more power than steel. 4% higher yesterday, 603.3 the closing price. 57% believe it's a buy, 30% believe it's a hold, and a very small chunk of 13% believe it's a sell.
All right, the next one is JSW Energy, a buy of 50%, a sell of 23% in the stock, and a hold call of about 27%. Stock's currently trading at a level of about 59.5, about 0.5% higher in yesterday's session, 15% lower in the last 1 year. It had a level of 70 odd from where it's come off a bit. Tried to once again regain momentum from a level of about 43.5. It's picked up, now trading at about 60. It's a buy call on JSW Energy that we have. Next stock is Jubilant Foods. We've seen the stock time and again on our brokers poll, and the sell call is at 38%, a buy call of 38%, and a hold call of 24% is what we've got. 1,028, there's no stopping the stock in terms of momentum, though even valuations don't support the kind of price rise. It's seen 8.5% high in yesterday's session. Numbers were robust. Stock was up after the numbers of closer to 9%. Same-store sales growth of about 30%. Did well. Management is positive on Dunkin' Donuts in the first quarter of next year. All of that auguring well. Stock's got a buy of 38 and a sell of 38, so split down the middle.
Even I just wonder if it makes sense to say that the stock reacted after numbers, because after the numbers it rallied 4% the same day. Within 10 minutes sold off about 5%. The move happened yesterday, so maybe the market took a day to actually understand the numbers, and then if that's the justification, probably it makes sense, because
so on the day of the results, stock got cheaper.
Management spoke yesterday. Management spoke about their outlook and positive
We spoke
aspect.
to the management.
Yeah, we spoke to the management, and they themselves spoke yesterday and said that they are positive
on Jubilant is, and I was going through a couple of notes that people have put out. Nobody's got a clue in terms of how to value it. So the typical argument is that, I mean, stock's at 1,028, so it's trading at about some 37 times. And how do you justify paying 37 times forward earnings for Jubilant Foodworks? I mean, that's it. Otherwise,
when Domino's Pizza, which is the mother brand in US, is almost at half the valuations.
Yeah, I mean, but is Domino's growing at the rate that Jubilant is growing at? Probably not.
Well, Americans eat most amount of pizza as far as I know.
Yeah, but it's a saturated market. Yeah. You know, these guys are still expanding, so, you know, its valuation is the price that people want to pay. So unless you get another big bearish phase or something, I mean, stocks can keep trading at whatever, 30, 35,
but the trading pattern of this one is very dicey, Prashant. I mean, if you look at the charts intraday or something, sometimes it'll just move without bids, anything without volumes. The offers will just dry up and it'll just run
But over a period of time, forget intraday. Week, month, from listing, nothing.
Again, I mean, price is king, volumes are secondary, so you have to give it to price. But yeah, I mean, I wouldn't